In late 2012, the Swiss Federal Institute of Technology, the ETH in Zurich, and Georg Fischer conducted an ambitious seminar on crafting clean tech innovation and strategy for Georg Fischer. This seminar provided high-achieving graduate students at the MTech Institute with the challenging opportunity of working on real cases on strategy, innovation, and leadership at Georg Fischer.
A lot of work, hopefully more practical than our studies.
So I would like to learn some new technologies.
For us, it's a chance also to see some other parts of a company.
For ETH, the aim is very important because beyond academic excellence, it's one of the main tasks of our department, Management, Technology and Economics, to provide value for companies in Switzerland and to have explicit outreach activities. Thereby we think that industry and Georg Fischer specifically as an innovative company can benefit from that approach, and vice versa. Students get this experience how it is like to work in a company on actual projects, and this seminar is particular in the sense that we have a very good exposure also to the top level management at Georg Fischer, and that is something we very much appreciate.
The Swiss corporation Georg Fischer, with 14,000 employees and 130 companies in 30 countries, focuses on its three core businesses: GF Piping Systems, GF Automotive, and GF Agi-Charmy. The ETH graduate students worked on a specific assignment in one of the three industrial divisions of Georg Fischer. They visited Georg Fischer production sites in Switzerland, conducted interviews with members of the management team, and discussed their ideas with top executives. At GF Agi-Charmy, which provides leading technology to the tool and mold-making industry, the analysis pointed to the potential of laser technology in the field of functional surfaces.
It's a lot about different people getting involved, about problems that one would probably not have thought before. So for me it's exciting to get all these aspects together in one solution in the end.
At GF Piping Systems, the primary focus was on the question, what are the market requirements in building technology for drinking water hygiene, and what unique selling propositions can be developed to grow market share?
The whole production it's fascinating, especially the inventory, the stock. That's really high tech.
In the GF Automotive Group, efforts were concentrated on research in lightweight design. Here the students examined the issue of how a competitive edge can be gained with hybrid material solutions.
Well, we did some interviews now. We're going to ask them some more questions. We're trying to gather as much information as possible to understand as well as possible the problem. And in the next few weeks we are meeting some professors of ours to get some input from them.
On the basis of their interviews with the management team and the insights obtained during site visits, the graduate students developed business models and strategic landscapes. The overall objective was to formulate strategic advice consistent with the leadership culture of Georg Fischer. These real case studies were mentored by several professors from the Department of Management, Technology and Economics of the ETH. In the end, the students presented their findings to Georg Fischer. Within this discourse, The students were able to test their hypotheses with top management and to perform a reality check. The results are, however, strictly confidential, so they will not be provided to the public. But input from this seminar may well become reality in the future.
At the management department of ETH Zurich, it's one of our core principles to combine academic knowledge and practical management experience. And in this sense, the seminar with Georg Fischer has provided our students with an unparalleled learning experience how to lead a global company.
I think what the students achieved within 2 months and a few days was remarkable. We have seen during the presentations that they all worked as a team, and they worked hard. They went to customers, or they at least called customers to validate what they presented. That was very positive. And also as a company, it's very important to always keep the outside-in perspective.
I hope we get a lot of inspirations to Georg Fischer by our ideas. And as promised by the CEO, we will get some future information on which ideas they took further and which they investigated more time in it. Especially we are interested to see in a few years' time which of the ideas are present in the market.
My key learnings, I have to say, is really how to interact together with members in executive functions, and really also to experience that they're just human beings and that they can also laugh and be fun people to work with.